Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Netflix, Mstr, and Adobe price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna start with Netflix here on the 2 weeks chart for the all-time history for Netflix, where we are looking at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 toward the upside for wave 3. This wave 5 is very extended as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside it, of course. Very deep wave F4, understandable of course, based on the wave 2 as well. Fib level, you would like to reach this level, and then continuation toward the upside here for Netflix in a wave 5. This wave 5 has started as a 1, 2, and currently in a wave 3, 4, and a 5, continuation toward the upside. In this wave 5, we are looking definitely here for higher prices, still looking of course for the following scenarios, which it's gonna be followed of course on the 2-hour chart inside of course this move here to see what's going on. We're gonna move inside the 2-hour chart, where you are looking here at a leading diagonal, of course wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 5 to finish of course a potential wave 3 here of course, or it can be another continuation for wave 1, 2, but I believe of course this is a wave 3 finished here with a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, as you can see. Therefore, currently I'm looking for this wave 4 in the orange scenario. I'm gonna go for our chart so you can see it much clearer. Here we go. So we have a 1, 2 here, potential of course a 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5 ending diagonal, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 3, and finish wave 4 right now, which it still need of course to get lower prices, and that means of course, yeah, we're still looking at kind of like whether a longer wave 4 in correction here, meaning like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to hit the 0.23 here, and then moving toward the upside. Or you are looking at an impulse, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for potentially deeper wave 4, of course, 4 and a 5 later on, and then continuation toward the upside. Therefore, I'm expecting, of course, at least the 1084 for Netflix to be taken, of course, in a wave 4 for the micro and for the macro level. Let's move for the next one, which is Mstr. So Mstr, let's move also on the all-time history here, where we are looking on the daily as a double 1, 2, potentially here unfolding after ape psychology found for the market 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and currently you are in wave 3 towards the upside. This wave 3 is taken of course from the 1, 2 in the blue scenario, would like to reach the 1.618 or in between the 1.27, 1.618, which is currently in there. So I would say we are already in the blue box, so be careful. And 1.27 is uncommon target normally for wave 3, which it can be definitely. However, I'm still looking for one more high, which it might be perfect for the common target for wave 5 here, of a wave 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then having wave 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 continuation, of course, after having double 1, 2s here. If we move inside it on the 2 hours chart here, we can see of course clearly that we have a potential here impulse unfolding toward the upside for this wave 5 as a 1 ABC, of course expanding flat, wave 2 finished, wave 3 given, and of course another wave 4 here has a finish in W, X, and a Y, obviously, where you have kind of like a zigzag and a correction and an expanding flat for a wave Y, and then continuation 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation again. And that means of course right now in this wave 4 you cannot count this as a 1, 2, knowing it is impulsive of course, but it has finished up as an A, B, and a C of course toward the upside, extended wave C in an impulse. After this right now, therefore, because of course the invalidation taken over there, I would like to say that this is something impulsive, finished already as a wave A, B, and a C. And I didn't change this, of course, before the video to explain exactly why I changed this for you guys. So because the invalidation has been taken right now, we can start to seek, of course, for something else. So of course the counting, the micro counting is perfect here. But of course, the wave 4 has been invalidated as the signal was given, meaning this has transformed all of it I'm gonna remove the count, no need. All of it as an A, B, and a C, guys. All right, so this is what we are looking at right now. A, B, C, and that means, of course, this is something corrective here as an expanding, as a potential correction in a wave, a bigger wave for here for this white scenario. And that means, of course, it might be an expanding flat ABC towards the downside. However, now you have to be careful from the next invalidation of bullish, which is the 319. The wave 4 should not, of course, interfere with the zone 1 taken from 1 ABC for wave 2, as we mentioned. So 319 is your next invalidation. Now, if we take, of course, the fib level taken from the A to the B here, and we target a wave C as an expanding flat, you will see that the target are above this level, which is, of course, the invalidation. And, of course, that might be, of course, a perfect wave 4 over there. A, B, and a C continuation toward the upside. For a wave 5 is still, of course, looking for the same target, guys. Of course, it's gonna be the same because this it has changed actually. This is a wave 5. I'm gonna remove it. This target is the same taken from the major wave 1, and of course targeting a wave 5 toward the upside here. So this one is still the same because it is based on the wave 3 top and based on the wave 1. This target is much more secure right now. Now, of course, for more precision inside this area, we're gonna get it after starting to move toward the upside. So 1, 2, 3, and then we get much more precise target. But currently, this is a potential scenario. Now, another scenario, don't forget, for MSTR might be, of course, a triangle, running triangle here that you might be looking at because it is a priority, so you have to be careful. A, B, C, D, and an E. And why you have to be careful? Because you might not reach even the low there. It might take more in time rather than in price. And then, of course, unfolding something toward the upside, missing the trade. So be careful as well. This scenario is, of course, a very, very potential and in priority before the W, X, and a Y. Yep, that was it for MSTR. Let's move for the next one, which is Adobe. So for Adobe, on the all-time history as well, we would like to start from there by taking a look what's going on here. So for Adobe, we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal wave 1, wave 2, followed by a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, and currently you're looking at a wave 4 because here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, extended wave 5 for a wave 3. Currently you're looking at a wave 4 in the white scenario, 1, 2, 3, wave 4. And obviously it is a triangle, guys, so you have to be careful. Of course, we might be in a wave D here finished. A, B, C, and finishing wave D, and then wave E, of course, and continuation toward the upside for this wave 4, and then unfolding a wave 5. Target for this wave 5 might be, guys, taken from the zone 1, and based on the wave 3 here, wave 5 over 1, you might reach, of course, the next blue box between this area, 1,700, 1,220. And, of course, don't forget that if we take the highs, this might be, of course, a confirmation for higher simply. And that means, of course, once you take this 638, and that means, of course, you're moving directly for a wave 5 over there. Let's move inside it to see if this is a zigzag for a triangle or it is something impulsive towards the downside. So basically, if we take a look a little bit closer here, I want to check out if this is a zigzag or it is an impulse. So I'm gonna label here, obviously this is your 1, 2, 3, wave 4, wave 5, so that is perfect before going there. And you have another 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, so yes, it is a zigzag, guys. So basically, it is a finished zigzag, and if we take the fib levels here taken from the 1, or from the A to the B here, this is your B, you will see potentially here, let me check, zigzag. Well, yeah, the 1.618 not taken. It can be, of course, an extended wave C here that we are looking at, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is finished structure. So we have to be careful also at the same time because we're also in a fib level for a wave 3. So, yeah, here we go. You are also in a fib level for wave 3. What does this mean, guys, on the 2-hour chart? If this is a big wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, that means something else is unfolding. 1, 2, 3, 4. One second. Oh, okay, perfect. So the wave 4, as you can see, it has invalidate this impulse. Awesome. Okay, we are in a zigzag now, definitely. So this is how we know, guys, of course, if we are in a zigzag or not, but knowing that this is an extended wave C. So now I'm very sure, because if you are in a 1, 2, wave 3 already finished, wave 4 interfering with the zone 1, meaning ABC, and you're looking right now at something for higher and potentially ABC again, which we saw, of course, in this as a potential triangle. Here we go. Right, we might see a triangle A, B, C, D, and a E. Yep, that's perfect. Now, of course, I was estimating a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this scenario, which it might be an A, B, and a C as an impulse, but this is not the case. We got, of course, a confirmation that, okay, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 3, wave 4, kind of like interfered, of course, internally, and we don't have further mover toward the lower prices. I believe much more possibility here is that we are inside as this triangle unfolding a wave D toward the upside. All right, so that was it for Netflix, Mstr, and Adobe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.